Hi there, here's Mark Garner from the Design Sprint Academy, and I am doing another 1-minute video. We're answering some of the questions we had from our Q&A session with Felix Wang when he did How Google Runs Design Sprints. We had a great Q&A session. Felix answered so many questions, but there were still quite a few left. So today I thought I'd try and answer another one of those. And this one I thought was a pretty good one. We get asked this a lot. Who are the most ideal team members to have participate in a design sprint? Now, I am going to try and answer this one in a minute, of course. So let's set the timer for a minute. And one thing about this is I think I might just talk a little bit more here about roles rather than job titles, because I think that's I'll get to that in a second. Okay, all right. So, 1 minute. So the first person that we'd say you really have to have is a dedicated, experienced facilitator, because they're going to be able to manage the time, they've got to manage difficult conversations and just keep the process going along. You're trying to achieve an awful lot in a short space of time. In fact, for high stakes design sprints that we work on, we normally have 2 design sprint facilitators. One person who's facilitating the process and another one who's capturing all the information that you'll be gathering, all the assets from the sprint. Very important person is a decider. So this is the person who's going to communicate the vision to the team and make sure that he's got an understanding of what's best for the business and make tough decisions. It's an underestimated role. And the actual team themselves, though, you want really expertise from different areas. And that's why I couldn't really give you job titles, because it depends on what the challenge is. You want maybe someone technical, perhaps someone with some understanding of the customer, and definitely someone who understands the business. There you are, 1 minute up. So I hope that helps when you start thinking about your design sprint. You're definitely going to need to have an experienced facilitator. Don't try and get your UX designer just to manage that on the side. And the decision maker needs to have the buy-in from those key stakeholders in order for us to actually make sure we can act on the results of the design sprint. And the team, as long as they've got the expertise, then they're going to be just fine. I think I cheated there. That was over a minute. But anyway, there you are. There's the answer to a 1-minute question. And I look forward to answering some more soon.